Welcome Blue Star students. Today we are going to see the topic graph. Okay, this is your graph note. Take your graph note, write your name, standard section here, then write serial number as 1. Write the topic title is Introduction to Graph. Okay, Introduction to Graph. This is a topic. You write the date, today's date here. Serial number is 1. Exercise 15.1. The topic is line graph. Okay, now in this exercise we will see line graph now. Okay, so now you take the next page, leave this page, in the next page, okay, you start in this page itself. Okay, write the topic line graph, not linear, sorry, line graph. Okay, line graph, write exercise 15.1. Question is question number 5. Use the tables below to draw linear graph. In this question 5 only we are going to draw the graph, that method. Okay, the question is use the tables below to draw linear graphs. Subdivision A, the number of days a hillside city received snow in different years. Okay, the years are given, that is 2003, 2004, 2005 and 2006. The number of days in 2003, the number of days is 8. 2004, number of days 10. In 2005, number of days 5. 2006, number of days 12. Okay, so this is your question. We are going to draw a graph. Okay, see, write the question in the right side. Now you take this side. Okay, in this page only we are going to draw the graph. Okay, so first you write this question, then take your scale and pencil, sharp your pencil. Okay, sharp your pencil, take your take the left hand side of your notebook. So in this question, the year we draw the x-axis and y-axis. In year represent the x-axis and then days are in y-axis. Okay, first we draw a coordinates, x and y coordinates in the graph sheet. So take your scale and pencil. First we draw x coordinate. So leave two lines. Okay, in the dark line, see in the dark line, in the second, first 1, 2, 3, in the third dark line, okay, we draw a straight line. Keep your scale on the dark line. Draw a straight line, sharp your pencil and then draw. This is x coordinate. Okay, now we will draw the y coordinate. In the vertical line, leave two boxes. Keep your scale on the dark line. Draw a straight line. This is called y coordinate. Okay, now write here y. This middle point is 0. That is the origin. Okay. Okay, now so write here x-axis, here y-axis, this point is 0. Okay, now in the x-axis we mark as year. Okay, years in x-axis, days in y-axis. So write here years, here days. Okay, now see what are the years are given: 2003, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now I am marking here 2003. 2003, leave two boxes. Now write 2004, then another two boxes 2005, next 2006. Okay, so that's all in the x-axis. Okay, that years only given in the question, so that 2003, 4, 5 and 6 years are marked. Now in the days are given for 8, 10, 5 and 12. So we will mark this in the y-axis. Days are marked in the y-axis. Okay. So now we mark the days from 1. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally maximum days are 12. So that we marked up to 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stop up to 12. Okay, so in the x-axis we mark the years, right, like this, years. Okay, in y-axis we mark the days. So 2003 to 2006 we marked in the x-axis, then in y-axis mark the days from 1 to 12. Okay, now your question, in 2003 number of days is 8. Okay, so in 2003, keep your scale on the dark line. In 2003, number of days is 8. So mark this point as, so 2003 line, in x-axis 2003, y-axis number 8. Okay. Then in 2004, number of days is 10. In 2004, see, keep your scale here. 2004, number of days is 10. Okay. Then 2005. In 2005, number of days 5. Okay, keep your scale like this. 2005, mark the days as 5. Then in 2006, 12 days. So, keep your scale in vertical position. Okay, mark as 12. Okay. So now we are going to join this. You write here 2003, 8. This one 2004, y-axis value is 10. Here 2005, 5. Here 2006, 12. Okay. So now we are going to join these points. (2003 to 2004), then 2004 to 2005, 2005 to 2006. Okay, this is a line graph. Okay, see this question, 2003 8 days. So in 2003 8 days we marked, then 2004 10 days, 2005 5 days, 2006 12 days. Okay. Okay, now students, you write the question with black pen. Now we are going to write the answer for this. See how we mark this graph. In x-axis we mark the years, in y-axis we mark the days. Okay, so we write this by using a given information. We draw a line graph. This is called a line graph. Okay, we draw a line graph where the point and the points where the horizontal line. This is called, this x-axis is in horizontal line. This y-axis is a vertical line. And the horizontal line, that is what? Horizontal line is x-axis. X-axis shows the years. And the vertical line, that is y-axis, shows the number of days. Subdivision A completed. So the given is the number of days a hillside city received snow in different years. So years and days are given. We mark that in the graph. That is, x-axis represent the years, y-axis represent days. So we mark this in a linear graph method. Okay, we write this. That's all. Yeah. Subdivision A is complete. And next subdivision B. So the question is population in thousands. The values are given in thousands. Okay, thousands of men and women in a village in different years. Different years, la number of men and women population is given. See in the question, in the tabular column, year is 2003, 4, 5 and 2006, 2007. So number of men are given in thousand, that is 12 means 12,000, 12.5 is 12,500, is 13,000, 13,200, 13,500. Now number of women, 11.3 is given, that means 11,300, here 11,900. So in the second question, population of men and women in a village in different years are given. In the first step, we are going to draw a x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Now, take your scale and pencil, sharpen your pencil.